Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about slice method in JavaScript. The slice method returns a slice or subarray of the specified array. Its two arguments specify the start and end of the slice to be returned. The return array contains the element specified by the first argument and all subsequent elements up to but not including the element specified by the second argument. If only one argument is specified, the return array contains all elements from the start position to the end of the array. So let's see if we have a JavaScript array. Some values. Then we are going to perform a slice starting from index 0 and it will goes up to 3 but not including the 3 index. So this will be my R and start with 0 and go to 3. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will get these three first elements up to 2, one less than the last one. Let's print that. Just gonna do it here. Console.log. And now we are going to just pass in the starting index location. And at the same time, we're just gonna print to console. And we are going to start from 3. Now we can run our code and check the output. So it will start from the index 3 and goes up to the end of the array. So we have over here, first we slice the array starting from index 0. And this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And it will go one less than the last index location. So it will goes up to here. So 4, 2, 3, these threes. And then we are going to slice the array with the starting index location 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it starts from 5 and goes to the end of the array 5, 6, 7. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.